Hello friends, today we will learn about how to create EBS volume and attach that EBS volume to an EC2 instance. We will also create a partition of that volume and then we will format that partition to the file system and mount the partition to the directory, and in last we will make the mount persistent. To do this all thing, first we need to create an EC2 instance. So open AWS Management Console, go to the EC2 service. Click on instance running, then click on launch instance. Enter the name for the instance. I am entering storage_ub. Select the AMI image. I am selecting Ubuntu and select the key pair. Open the port and click on launch instance. Now click on volume, create volume. Select the size of the volume. I am entering 5 GB. Availability zone of the instance 1B. Click on create volume. Now here you can see the volume has come of 5 GB. It is available, so we can use it. Select the volume. Click on action. Attach volume. Select the instance which is running. Give any name for that volume. Dev SSD. Click on attach volume. We can also see the new volume has attached to the EC2. Now we will connect the EC2 and create the partition of that volume. Copy this SSH key. Go to the terminal. My key is in download, so changing the directory, cd downloads. Paste the key. Now we will run command lsblk to list block devices on Linux. Here you can see in last xvdd of 5 GB. To see and mount storage, run command fdix-l. Now we need to mount the storage using command fdix and volume name. So /dev/xvdd. Now we need to create partition of that storage. So press N for a new partition. Then press P to print the partition. Then enter default. Again enter. Then press W to save the partition. Then run command part probe to see if there is any problem in the partition. So there is no problem in the partition. Now we need to format that partition. So run command mkfs.xfs and partition name. So our partition is formatted. Now mount the partition to directory using command mount partition name and directory. Now run command vim/etc/fs tab to make the mount persistent. So we need to make the entry. Go to the insert mode using Shift+I. Enter here partition name, then directory name and this default value. Keep it same. Press the escape button and enter :WQ and press the enter key. Now it will be saved. We can see now the partition has been mounted and 5 GB block is added to this EC2 instance. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share this video with your friends.